Welcome to Eli Field, home of the RC Fest. Right over here we have the helicopter area. We have open practice all weekend long, so if you have a heli, come fly with us. Well, hey there. Welcome to the FPV flying area. We'll be having practice on Friday, racing Saturday and Sunday. Come check us out. Here at the flight line, we'll have open flying, air show, air combat, a night show, and night fly. Here behind me, we'll actually have Manufacturers Row. There'll be different manufacturers here to display their product and also show you the latest gear they have to offer. Here in the Eli hangar will be a number of different activities going on. We'll have a Tamiya paint booth. Tower Hobbies will be on hand selling product. And there'll be a number of different displays to come check out. Right behind me will be the bashing area. There's a number of different events going on here. There's a show and shine, a demo derby, a tug of war, long jump and speed runs, a sumo competition, monster truck events, figure eight racing, trailer racing, king of the hill, and also a try-me track. A little special feature for this year for RC Fest, we'll actually have a Raminator on hand. You can come check it out, touch it, feel it, whatever, and it's going to even crush cars here. Here's where the TLR Cup will be taking place. We'll be practicing Friday, racing Saturday and Sunday. We'll be running nitro and electric 8-scale. Here behind me will be the crawling track. There'll be a scale competition, a open practice, and also a night crawl. Here at RC Fest at Monticello, Illinois at Eli Field, there's a number of things going on for everyone. Friday, gates open at 2 p.m., close at 10:30. Saturday, gates open at 9, close at 10:30 with tons of stuff going on, and even fireworks and a night show. And then Sunday to close off the event, gates open at 10, close at 4. Hope to see everyone there.